Welcome to 𝗀𝗃cie. In this video, I'm going to show how to fix app not installed issue by 𝗧𝗃 that says app locked to protect your device, and the APK just does not install. The reason behind it is that Google thinks that this app might access sensitive data, and the 𝗧𝗃 blocks the installation of the APK. But if you think that your app is genuine and safe, and you still want to install it, then watch this video till the end to know how. First of all, you will have to open Play Store app, then tap your profile icon on the top right, then tap 𝗧𝗃, then tap the gear icon on top right corner, and then turn off Scan Apps. At this point, just tap pause, instead of turning it off permanently, because when you tap pause, it will re-enable after 24 hours. That way, you will be safe from installing unsafe APKs. So now if you go and install the app again, the app will successfully be installed. Again, do it when you're sure the APK is genuine and safe. Subscribe to 𝗀𝗃cie for more of such tips and tricks.